Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you a hearty beef neck bone soup. And it's going to be called a beef neck bone soup with pasta. Alright, these are the ingredients that I have right here. These are beef neck bone. This is roughly like 3 to 4 pounds of beef neck bones. I have some tomato paste right here. I have 2 cans of green beans. I have 2 cans of stewed tomatoes. I have some wine right here, some Cabernet wine right here. I have some beef bouillon right here by KNORR. This is some DITALINI pasta. That's going to be the pasta. I have right here is some stew. What's it? Slow cooked hearty beef stew seasoning right here. All right, by McCormick's. I have 3 cups of water over here, and over here I have 3 potato diced up fine. I mean, not diced up fine, but 3 potato diced up. I have like 7 baby carrots diced up. I have 1 whole onion right here diced up, and I have 3 cloves of garlic chopped up fine. And this is a half a cup of corn, sweet corn, okay? And I have some celery. I have 2 stalks of celery in there. Alright? Alright guys, so I'm going to be cooking that in my pressure cooker, because your boy ain't finna wait all day. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We're just going to go ahead and put our, this is, a matter of fact, I'm going to let you know this is a 8-quart pressure cooker, okay? I know you've seen the other ones at 6-quart. So I'm just going to take these and put them up in there. Then I'm going to come in here with some seasoning. This is some salt. We probably put like a teaspoon with that in there. Alright. A pink sea salt. We're going to come in with some granulated onion. We're going to come with like a teaspoon with that. So you ain't going to need a lot of seasoning at all, guys, because that KNORR got a lot of seasoning in it. This is some basil. We're going to put some of that in there. Half a teaspoon of that. Like so. And this is some black pepper. We're going to come with a teaspoon of that. Alright. Now here's my water, my 3 cups of water. We come in here with 1 and 2. 2 tablespoons of that. Mixing it in with my water. It ain't got to be super mixed up, guys. Okay? Because it's going to break down regardless. Alright, we're just going to pour that in there. Just like so. Probably, we're going to go with 4 cups of water, okay guys? Alright, give it the other one. 4 cups of water. That out the way. We're going to come in here with some wine. Like a cup of that. Alright. Cup of wine. Alright. And we're going to cook this guy for like about 40 minutes. This is stew right here. So we're going to cook it for 30 minutes. Okay guys? Which is about right, because I got to put my vegetable in once they get to cooking. Alright? So when that gets done, we're going to put our vegetables and all that stuff in there. And then with all our other ingredients. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and put this on, turn this off for a second. Release this steam. And when that gets done, show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I just took some of these out because I got a lot of ingredients going in that pot. This is how those look for now. So we're just going to come in here and add our vegetables in here. Just like so. Our green beans. Yes, I'm putting all this stuff in there, the whole can. Stewed tomatoes. Now with these stewed tomatoes, like I said, I like to break mine up a little bit. It will break up a little bit more when you cook it. Come in here with my corn. Now if you want to use a whole cup, you can. Mix this around up in here. Alright, we're going to come in here with our seasoning right here. Just going to thicken it up a little bit. Come in here with half a can of tomatoes paste. So probably like roughly 2 tablespoons. So this would be like a half a can. We want this beef neck bones soup with pasta to be off the chain. Alright. You can come back in here with your neck bone, the rest of your neck bone. It's gonna taste super good, guys. Oh my God. If you want to take some of these bones out, you can. But I like to leave mine in there. I like to eat around the bone. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and cook this for another 20 minutes. It shouldn't take that long. I'm going to go ahead and pick off some of this meat off this bone so I can fit everything in there. I'm going to cook this for 20 minutes. Then I put some of this pasta in there, DITALINI. Okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this hearty beef neck bone soup. And this is how you make beef neck bone soup with pasta. Let me show you that up close. Now this thing is kind of wobbly because I got an egg. It's good, good. Alright, that's how that looks, guys. Alright. That looks like a thumbnail right there, don't it, guys? Alright. Alright guys, I'm about to go ahead and throw down on this stuff. I did taste it. It tastes good. This DITALINI right here, all I did was turn it off. I put the pasta in there and I let it sit in there for about 10 minutes. And that's it. Okay? Alright. So, if you guys like this video, give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell. That's right. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen. Much love. And I'm out.